I have a serious question for you. Do you think do you think my mother would notice if I gave her the same scarf she gave me last year?
Wait. Stop. You are re-gifting to your own mother? That is cold. That is ice cold.
It's not cold. It's recycling. She has so many scarves, she won't remember. Besides, I am desperate. The gift shopping panic has officially started.
Oh, tell me about it. I looked at my bank account this morning and I actually wanted to cry. I have $50 and I have 10 people to buy gifts for.
$50 for 10 people? That is $5 a person. What are you going to get them? A sandwich?
Half a sandwich. A very small sandwich. Honestly, I don't know. I am freaking out. It is already December and I haven't bought a single thing. Not one thing.
You are joking. You haven't started?
I have been busy. I was waiting for inspiration. But inspiration didn't come, so now I am just waiting for a miracle.
Okay. Breathe. We can fix this. This episode is supposed to help our listeners buy gifts without going crazy. So, let's brainstorm. Who is on your list?
Well, the hardest one is my dad. Buying gifts for dads is impossible. He already has everything. He has tools, he has ties, he has enough socks to last until the year 3000.
Dads are difficult. What does he like? Does he have a hobby?
His hobby is sleeping on the sofa while watching golf.
Okay, so get him a nice pillow or maybe a blanket.
A blanket? I don't know, that feels a bit boring. I want to get him something cool, something exciting, like a drone.
A drone? With your $5 budget?
Okay, good point. Maybe a paper airplane. See, this is why I go crazy. The expectations are too high.
I think you are overthinking it. People just want to know you care. It's the cliche, right? It's the thought that counts.
Does the thought count if the gift is terrible? Like, what if I just get everyone candles?
No, do not be the candle guy.
Why not? Candles are nice. They smell like vanilla or pine trees.
A candle is the universal sign of, I didn't know what to get you, so here is some wax. It's a lazy gift. Unless it is a really expensive candle.
Which I cannot afford, so no candles. What about gift cards?
Gift cards are tricky. Some people love them because they can choose what they want, but some people think it's impersonal. It's like giving someone cash, but less useful.
But it's safe. If I buy my sister a sweater, she will hate it. She will say it's the wrong color, or the wrong size, or that it makes her look, I don't know, weird. If I give her an Amazon card, she can buy whatever weird sweater she wants.
That is actually a very smart point. Clothes are dangerous. Never buy clothes for people unless you are 100% sure of their size.
Exactly. I bought my girlfriend a dress once.
Oh no. I can hear the disaster in your voice.
It was a disaster. I bought it size too big.
You didn't.
I did. She looked at it and said, "Do you think I'm this big?" It was the quietest Christmas dinner ever. We didn't speak for 2 days.
Lesson learned. Accessories. Only. Scarves, hats, gloves. One size fits all.
One size fits all. My favorite phrase. But wait, we have to talk about the worst part of holiday shopping.
The crowds.
The mall. The mall in December is not a place for humans. It is a battlefield.
It really is. I went last Saturday to just look around, and I regretted it immediately. The parking lot was full. I drove around for 20 minutes, just stalking people, waiting for them to leave.
And then, inside, the music. That same Christmas song playing over and over again. All I want for Christmas is you.
Don't sing it. It will get stuck in my head.
Too late. But yeah, people get aggressive. I saw two ladies fighting over I think it was a blender? A kitchen mixer?
Fighting over a blender?
Yes, tugging it back and forth. It's mine. No, I saw it first. It was scary. I just walked away slowly.
That is why I do everything online now. Online shopping is the only way to survive. You sit on your couch, in your pajamas, with a cup of tea, click, 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 done.
But there is a danger there. The shipping trap.
What do you mean?
You find the perfect gift, the price is good, you click buy, and then you see the delivery date. Estimated delivery, January 14th.
Oh, that is the worst feeling. Your heart just sinks.
And then you have to print out a picture of the gift and put it in a box. Merry Christmas. Your gift is currently on a boat in the Pacific Ocean. It'll be here soon.
That is so tacky. Please don't do that. Just pay for the express shipping.
With my $50? I don't think so. I'll just make something. DIY. Do it yourself.
Are you crafty? Can you paint or knit?
No, I can barely draw a stick figure. But how hard can it be to bake cookies? Everyone loves cookies.
Baking is actually a great idea. It's cheap, it's thoughtful, and it's delicious. Unless you burn them.
I won't burn them. I probably will burn them, but I can scrape the black parts off.
Please don't give people burnt cookies. Okay, here is my advice for you. For your dad, get him a nice framed photo of the two of you.
A photo? That's actually not bad.
It's sentimental. Parents love that stuff. It costs like $2 to print a photo and $5 for a frame. Boom, done.
You are a genius. That leaves me $43 for everyone else.
For your sister, a book.
A book. Smart. She likes to read.
And for your girlfriend, please do not buy clothes. Get her an experience.
An experience? Like jumping out of a plane?
No, like a movie night. You cook dinner, don't burn it. You rent a movie she likes, you buy her favorite snacks. It costs almost nothing, but it shows effort.
Effort. Okay, I can do effort, I think.
See, you don't need money. You just need to use your brain.
My brain is tired, though. It's December. My brain is in hibernation mode.
Well, wake it up. Let me check the calendar. Oh, wow, we have barely any time left.
Don't say that. You are bringing the panic back.
Sorry. Okay, let's summarize for our listeners. To avoid going crazy, first, set a budget.
Second, avoid the mall unless you want to fight a grandma for a blender.
Haha. Third, if you order online, check the shipping dates carefully.
And fourth, if you have no money, bake cookies or print photos or just be a nice person.
Being a nice person is the best gift.
That sounds cheesy.
It is cheesy, but it's true. Also, don't re-gift your mother's scarf.
I am still shocked you considered that.
Hey, I didn't do it. I just thought about it. Anyway, we have to go. I have to go buy wrapping paper.
Oh no, wrapping. I forgot about wrapping. I am terrible at wrapping. My gifts look like garbage bags taped together.
We can talk about wrapping techniques in the next episode.
Please, I need a tutorial. How to use tape without sticking it to your own hair.
Good luck with your shopping, everyone. Don't go crazy.
And if you get socks, just say thank you. Socks are useful.
Bye.